Is Maith le.
Is Maith my cat.
Ní malat ober valle. Is Maith leis an rivere.
Is Maith ladog.
Is
bra lin an tishke. Ní ma live an váisteach.
Ní mahlo an scór. Kestana. Keste héan. An Maith le fin ober valle. Kest adó. An Maith le fin an rivere. Keste trí. An Maith leat ober valle. Keste cahar. An Maith leat ladóg. Kest a cuig. An Maith le de bhúntóir an bháisteach.
Okay, this page deals with prepositional pronouns, and the prepositional pronoun that we're going to look at is the word le, which means with. So we've got lum, which is with me, lat, with you, lesh, with him, lehi, with her. And then lin means with us, live, he's pointing to two people there, with you, and then lo is with them. So can we all say that? Lum, lat, lesh, lehi, and then lin, live, lo. Can you repeat that after me? Lum, lat, lesh, lehi, lum, lat, lesh, lehi, lin, live, lo. So with me, with you, with him, with her, with us, with you, with them. So the first girl says, Is ma lum. Now ma means like. So is ma lum, I like my cat. Is ma lum my cat. I like my cat. So liking with me, my cat. That's kind of sort of what it's saying. And here we've got ní má leat obair bhaile. Ní má. So don't like with you homework. You don't like homework. And he's pointing to the boy. You don't like homework. In this picture here, is má leis. So he likes an rivre the computer. Is má leis. So liking with him the computer. That's what we're kind of saying. And over here we've got is má lehi ladog. She likes ladog. She likes tennis. Now here are the ducks in the pond, in the pool. Is bralin on tishka. We love. So love ling with us on tishka. We love the water. And here we've got Nima live on Vashtok. Now live is with you. So doesn't like with you the rain. You don't like the rain. And the boy or girl is pointing to the cats under the tree. And finally we've got down here Nima lo on score. Nima lo. Lo is with them. So they don't like. Nima lo on score. They don't like the score. Okay, so one more time, let's go up to the top and we'll do our lum lat lesh lei. Can you say that? Lum lat lesh lei. Lin live low. Lin live low. With you, with us, with you, with them. Okay, so let's have a look at the questions. Okay, so title up the top, Is Mála, and it's page Shaskas is shocked, 67. So the very first one there, An Mála Finn obair bhaile. Does Finn, with Finn, like homework? Okay, and you can say ní má le Finn obair bhaile. So we know that Finn doesn't like homework, so it's ní má le Finn. Finn does not like homework. You could also say, instead of saying le Finn, you could say him. So ní má leis obair bhaile. Now you wouldn't say ní má sé obair bhaile, that wouldn't make sense. It's ní má leis. Okay? Because with ma we have to use the le. Now number 2. An má le Finn an rivre. Does Finn like the computer? Now we know that he does like the computer. So you can either say is ma le Finn an rivre. Finn does like the computer. Or you could say is ma leis an rivre. And again, we wouldn't say is ma sé. That wouldn't make sense. It's is ma leis. He likes the computer. Number 3. Now this is a question for you. An ma lat. Lat is you. So do you like homework? And you can either say Is Maith lum obervalja, I like homework, or Ní Maith lum obervalja, I don't like homework. And again, you wouldn't say Is Maith mé, that wouldn't make sense because you have to use lum. And you wouldn't say Ní Maith mé, you'd have to say Ní Maith lum. Number 4. An Maith lat ladog. Do you like lado? Do you like tennis? Is Maith lum ladog, I like tennis, or Ní Maith lum ladog, or I don't like tennis. And number 5. An Maith le devuntur an bháisteach. Does your teacher, an Maith le devuntur, does your teacher like the rain? And you can either say Is Maith leis an bháisteach, or Ní Maith leis an bháisteach. Okay, you wouldn't say Is Maith sé, it wouldn't make sense. You wouldn't say Ní Maith sé. You have to use the word leis, because leis is for a male. Okay, if you had a female teacher, you'd use leihi. And to be honest, I don't really like the rain, so you can say Ní Maith leis an bháisteach.